We're southwest of the metro in Creston, where the snow is piling up and conditions with the wind are getting worse. And that has the kids here smiling because that means one thing: early out.
Yes, as the snow falls, the students at St. Malachy School are not looking back. They're happy to get out 3 hours early. But for parents and grandparents, that means they have to quickly make arrangements to handle what Old Man Winter sends their way.
We've had quite an odd February, haven't we?
Roger Tallman sits in his vehicle waiting on the early out and can't help but be envious of his son.
I'm just here to get my granddaughters. My son is down in Mexico, so he's in the right spot right now.
Not everyone can boast of that.
All the way down anyway.
People living in Creston are now shoveling their sidewalks and driveways to clear a path in the snow. But imagine driving Highway 34 between Creston and Osceola with the windy, snowy conditions mixed with, at times, very slick roads. Not an easy task, but the snowplows are out, and the hope is that tomorrow things will get back to normal. In Creston, Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.